with me as I work not to become 350-pound human. It is New Year, Christmas Eve, 2025, Wednesday, 6 a.m. We're gonna go to Krudar for some more time. Even though it's the holidays, still gotta get that work in. Let's go. Christmas Eve, 2025. Hopefully you guys get to spend some time with your family and have a blessed holiday. Life's been kicking my ass a little bit lately. But that's okay. I had an episode planned for last Friday. I didn't love the episode, and then my internet went out on Friday. Didn't get back till Monday, so ended up not releasing that episode. So we're about a week behind. No big deal. Just a little life update. Got to watch the Raptors play the Knicks in the NBA Cup semifinals. That was a fun experience. Thanks, Minnie, for the early Christmas gift. Ended up taking their son JJ to the game. That was awesome. Last couple of visits to the endocrinologist have been pretty positive. I've been seeing Dr. Kong since late October, and since then we've lost about 6 kilograms from when we did the October weigh-in to the December weigh-in. I might have lost a little bit more since that checkup. Last weigh-in was 389.3, which sounds like an enormous number, but considering I probably start around 416, 420, it's not bad. So still got a lot of work to do. Still got a lot of weight to lose, but you know, progress is better than no progress. So yeah, so that's been good. Did week 2 of our meal prep last week. We kept the kind of like hamburger helper meal the same, so that was pretty cool. And then we introduced 2 new dishes. One was like a rice with ground chicken, kind of like a teriyaki rice dish. And then the third dish was like a buffalo chicken mac and cheese kind of dish. So that was really good. And then last week into this week, we did meal prep again. It wasn't a part of the cooking this time because I had to take Lorenzo, which is Matt's kid, and JJ to a birthday party. So I took them to a birthday party while he stayed home and prepped. But this week is a shorter week because of Christmas and stuff. We only made 2 meals per day. One is kind of like a chicken salad with noodles, and the other one is more of like a garlic parm chicken noodle kind of dish. Both really good. So yeah, short week this week. Off to Krudar for some Muay Thai. But yeah, it's been a busy couple weeks, and I'll see you guys after the workout. Peace. All right, 7:04 post workout. Shout out to Neil for running a great class, man. I felt like throwing up multiple times. Shout out to Albert for holding the pads. It's good to be back. I felt like I was away for 2 months. In reality, it's been like a week and a half. But yeah, it's good to be back. Christmas Eve. Now I get to go home and get ready for Christmas Eve with the Renzettis. So I'll be spending it with Matt, Minnie, and their family. Got to finish off binging Stranger Things. The second part of season 5 drops tomorrow, and that's a family affair with them. So I got to be caught up. I'm doing a rewatch series. I just finished season 2. I forgot how kind of slow it is. It's not a lot of episodes, but each episode is so freaking long. So season 3, they didn't kill the mind flayer yet, spoiler alert. Yeah, Max's brother is about to be possessed. So yes, Stranger Things, back at it. So I got to binge that before tomorrow, or at least watch some sort of short version, so that I'm not watching season 5. I tried to watch season 5 with them last time, and they're out nerding me. These little kids out nerding me with Stranger Things. So gotta get me my Stranger Things info back up. But yeah, wrap some presents, go for dinner, spend Christmas with who you spending with. I can't believe this year's almost over. Outrageous. 2025, where did you go? But yeah, we'll be back soon with another episode. May you spend your time with loved ones and family, friends, whoever it may be. But yeah, be good and well for the end of the year and then upcoming new year. So hopefully we'll be back with another workout soon. I think the gym is open on Boxing Day. I feel like we gotta work out on Boxing Day, right? December 26th. I don't know if anyone else celebrates Boxing Day outside of the UK, Australia, and Canada. Only on the King's territory we celebrate that. But yeah, until next time, we're out of here. Peace.